So over here, you can see that I already have a Camtasia project opened up. So now let's crop out the visuals and then work around with it. So here you can see that I got a recorded video footage from my computer right here. So let's crop this out. And to crop out, you simply go around onto this tool right here. You can also hold Alt and you get to the crop tool just like that. So I'm just going to go around onto the crop tool just like this and go around on the side. So let me just crop this out and let's see what happens. So you can see that the video has been cropped out, and if I were to play this out, you can see that the video plays out just like that. So video plays out, the video is there, it's just that the video has been cropped out. So now what else I can do is I can go around. Let's say for example, if I were to select this footage and if I were on the crop tool, I can simply crop this around from the side and only that portion is there. So I can drag around the clips just like this, and what happens is that now only that part of the visuals is there. When you crop out any video, what happens is that the video is non-destructive, meaning you can drag the crop back just like that and get back the visuals that was on the side just like that. So that is how you can crop out the visuals. So you can crop it from the top anywhere just like this onto square by using the crop tool, which is located right here. You can do that with any of the graphics that you find. So you can crop out these as well just like that. And what simply happens is that everything around gets cropped out just like that. And that is how you can crop out the visuals inside of Camtasia. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.